Let's put a transparent texture on this object and make it see-through. It has to have a material. For the base color, let's use an image, like here, image texture. It appears here, over here exactly. Okay, open an image file. Pick the image file that has background transparency. There it is. It's kind of working. Not really though. Let me just rotate it. Make sure you see this alpha and this alpha connector. Drag from one to the other. Doesn't work quite yet. Scroll down in Properties and pick Blend Mode to Alpha Clip. There it is. I'm also gonna make this texture brighter for this example. And that is how you make a transparent texture, and that is how you get things done without making a 10-minute tutorial about it. Enjoy Blender. As confusing as the new version is, it's also great. Till next time, ciao.